Today we're discussing the SpeakBook. This is a tool that's free and downloadable. Shauna's going to provide that link to you. And we have laminated this. It makes it easy to write on individual preferences and then wipe it off and change it as you need to. It's a great tool for visual communication. With that window, we're communicating with our partners using the eye movement and selecting different topics. For instance, we have a color-coded page to demonstrate. My partner Shauna is looking at the lower corner and then signaling the symbol here. So it tells me to look at the blue triangle. She's communicating she'd like a drink. So we're going to go and turn to our drinks page, and from there we can have that personalized to any drink combination without ice or without a straw, and get your preferences communicated very clearly, strictly using those eye movements. We also have the home page, which will have your primary preferences, your daily use items, and the spell page, so that you can communicate individual letters to spell out what you'd like to get across with those eye movements.